travelers get used to looking foolish. There's a gravel beach just in front of this little tiny village on the coast of Scotland, where I decided I was going to dry out my boat for repairs. Drying out is a traditional way of working on boats, and it involves running the boat aground at high tide. The tide goes out, you've got a few hours to work on the boat before the tide comes back in and floats the boat off. I was somewhat new to sailing my boat around the world at the time, so I'd never actually dried out a boat before. But I had a book that told me how to do it. I planned carefully. I checked the tidal predictions to know when high tide was. I checked the weather forecast so there was light wind and no waves, so the boat wouldn't pound on the beach when the water came back in. I walked the beach at low tide to make sure there was no rocks that was going to come down on. I put an anchor out into deep water to pull the boat off afterwards. I was thorough. I was methodical. But I'd never actually done this before.
Yeah.
And now I was going to do it with my 12-ton boat.
Oh.
I checked the book. I made sure. I checked and rechecked the book. I had the boat in the right position, but had I done everything? Had I missed something? I checked the book. The water was going out. Had I missed something? Was everything right? The water was moving faster now. I checked the book again. Had I done everything right? I could see the bottom approaching as the boat came down closer and closer towards the bottom. Had I done everything right? I checked the book. And then I felt it. I felt the keel of the boat touch the beach. The water moved faster. The boat slowly started to tilt over. I was committed. Whether I was doing this rightly or wrongly, I was committed. I was going aground. And then I got rescued. My book told me about the mechanics of putting a boat on the beach. But I didn't think about the fact that normal people look at a boat aground and think there's something wrong.
Right.
The people in the village in front of which I put the boat aground called the lifeboat out to rescue me. So I looked like a complete idiot in front of the whole village. It was a lesson for me in stepping back from the technical details and looking at the big picture. I'm thinking about the people. I researched, planned, and implemented everything correctly. But I totally forgot about the people. It can be straightforward to plan out something and get all the details right. But if you don't step back, think about all the possible ways that might affect people, you're at risk, at least, of looking for